How to write a business plan. A business plan is one of the most critical documents for a new business. It describes the future of your business by explaining what you plan to do and how is your plan to succeed. Statistics show that 90% businesses fail within the first 5 years. Only 10% businesses survive after 5 years. So, what makes the business plan critical? It is a strategic document that describes the current status of your business, your resources, targets, abilities, and plans where you will be in the future and how you plan to get there. To put it all in simple terms, a business plan demonstrates how you will proceed from point A to point B in 5 to 10 years. Here we compiled all steps to be followed while writing a good business plan. Step 1. Executive Summary. The executive explains what your business does, where your business currently stands, what is the plan for the near future, and how you will proceed. Mission Statement. General information for the company. Highlights and key milestones. Products and/or services. Financial information. Plans for the future should be included in the executive summary. Step 2. Company description. A quick description of your ownership structure and the explanation of your marketplace. Explain your business and the industry of your company, provide a general overview. Step 3. Market analysis. Provide an in-depth analysis of your industry, market, and competitors. Description of industry. Description of the target market. Characteristics of the target market. Size and growth of the target market. Market sharing potential. Market pricing potential. Potential barriers. Potential competitors should be included in the market analysis. Step 4. Management and organization. Describe your company's management and organizational structure. Step 5. Products and services. Give the details of your products and explain how they will fulfill the requirements of the customers. If the product is still in the ideation phase or needs improvement, explain the steps for development, improvement, and research. Step 6. Marketing and sales plan. Explain how you'll pull the customer's attention and sell your products in the market. Step 7. Financial plan. Demonstrate your current financial status and involve projections for the future. If you don't have any financial data of your business, provide just projections. Budget. Projected income. Cash flow forecasts. Balance should be included. Step 8. Appendices. Provide supporting information such as charts, notes, reports, and further researches. Now you can write a business plan. You can achieve anything you want.